Life, as most Americans know it, is about to change.
Workers, professionals are being laid off.
Now it's official, we are in a recession.
Inflation is up 6.5%.
Push U.S. economy into a recession.
It's going to be really bad.
Now, I hate to be that guy, but the economy looks so similar to what happened in 2008. Do you remember? The big U.S. banks, they got too greedy and they collapsed the world's entire financial system. 10% of the entire country lost their jobs and $100 billion worth of investment, they just disappeared into thin air, just like that. And now, as much as I hate to say it, it looks even worse than it was in 2008. It's easy to make money when everything is good. 2020, 2021, 2022 even. My business made a lot of money in 2020, 2021, even 2022. And in 2023 we'll make a lot of money too, but we had to adapt because we're in a recession environment. So what does it mean for you? It means customers will spend less money. A lot of people got laid off. It means you have to be more strategic on how you advertise, how your funnels look like, how you're acquiring your customers, and whether you are being efficient with your budgets. Because if you're not, you'll be out of business by the end of this year. There are only 3 things that you have to do. These are 3 things that we have been doing for the last 5 years. That's why our business was doing well. And this is exactly what our clients did to do very well. Number 1, you have to use advertorials. It could be optional in 2018. You could still make a lot of money in 2020 without using advertorials. 2023, it is mandatory that you use advertorials. And now look and go on the ad library. All of the brands that are successful, that are doing well, they're using advertorials. So for those of you guys who don't know what advertorial is like a page that pretty much qualifies your traffic and makes them excited for the product that you're offering. So here you can see the example of a very good advertorial. So it has 3 stages. So you have 2 pre-sale pages, and then you have the actual product page, like order page. Most people would simply drive traffic here. The traffic won't be as qualified. People see the product, but they're not excited to buy that product. And that excitement usually leads to higher conversion rate. And to sell the products, you have to use advertorials. You have to use the structure, get people super excited before they actually see the price, before they see the details, and before they can buy your product. And if you want to know exactly how to use advertorials in your business starting today, then just stick around until the end of this video and I'll show you exactly how you can start using it. Anytime I would have a conversation with e-commerce entrepreneur, I would ask him one simple question: how many creatives you testing per week? And if I hear the answer is like, oh, I'm testing like 2 creatives per week, or if I hear anything less than like 20 or 30 creatives per week, I know that that business is suffering. And if it's not suffering today,
it will probably be suffering very soon.
Because creative became the game. Creative is like 90% of success with Facebook ads. The second thing that you have to build in your business in order to scale to 10, 20, 50, 100K per day is building creative sourcing system. The process of you getting new creatives every single week from your customers, from content creators, from influencers, analyzing what creatives work, what creatives don't work, testing new angles and new hooks every single week. That's how you scale with paid traffic in 2023. So this brand that I showed you that is utilizing advertorials in their business, they also have 400 active ads on Facebook. You do the math, right? It's very simple. You use the advertorials and you have the content sourcing system and you scale your business. Is that a rocket science? Now these 2 elements will make you $10 million. So I expect my check to arrive by the end of this month. So the third most important element if you want to do well in 2023 is having paid traffic systems. Paid traffic system, from my understanding, and spending like tens of millions of dollars on ads, is utilizing more than one traffic source and utilizing them all in a system that pretty much complements each other. Let me ask you something. When was the last time you bought a product after seeing it for the first time from a Facebook ad? Me personally, I don't buy that way. I need to see the product. I might see more reviews, maybe because of my experience with dropshipping. I don't want to be waiting for my product for the next like 30 or 60 days. But most people got burned the same way. So for example, if you're advertising on Facebook and that person sees your brand name, but they don't trust you, why they would trust you? So what they do is they go on Google, they search for your brand name. Most people don't buy after seeing your brand or product for the first time. They need to see it 7 times on average in order to buy your product. That's why you have to develop the system for advertising on Google, Pinterest, Snapchat, YouTube, so that when people see your product for the first time, you show it to them 2nd time, 3rd time, 4th time until they buy. This is how you squeeze more juice out of your advertising. This is how you increase your profitability. So the question is, how do you set these things up in your business so you maximize the opportunity and you make it in the correct way? For the past few months, I've been working on something special behind the scenes, something that will help selected businesses to implement these 3 systems in order to scale. This process is a part of our program which is called E-commerce Scaling Secrets 3.0. This is something that has been proven to work for us for the last few years. And also this is something that helped our clients to scale their businesses. Clients like Harvey here. So Harvey scaled his business from 100K per month to 800K per month in 30 days. Harvey is using advertorials in his business. He has amazing content sourcing system and he's using paid traffic system. Now, I cannot guarantee that you will 8x your business in 30 days, but you definitely can double your business or triple your business this year if you apply these 3 systems. Like Anis here, another one of our clients, he scaled his business from $200,000 per month to $2 million per month in only few months. He's also utilizing advertorials, he has great content sourcing system, and he's using paid traffic systems. You notice a trend here? You implement these 3 systems in your business and you win in 2023. Now, before I say another word, I want to be crystal clear with you. This program and this system is not for everyone. This is only for businesses that already exist, the businesses that already have a product market fit, the businesses that are ready to be scaled. So if you're ready to implement these 3 systems in your business, you want to make 2023 your best year ever, even though it's like recession environment, then click on the link below. There should be a link specifically for this offer. It's literally decades of experience that you get to benefit from and you get to leverage like literally within few months. You'll be able to shortcut, you'll be able to scale faster, you'll be able to scale more profitably. So I'm super excited for this. Now, if you're below like 30-50K per month in your business, we have another program called Brand Builders Academy where we'll help you to get that initial momentum with your business. So the link should be somewhere like below in the description so you can click on it and check all the details about it. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Let me know if you have any questions or anything in the comments so I'll be able to answer those for you, and I'll see you in the next video.